Good evening, children. So, continuing with the chemical properties of aniline, here is a question: how to carry out monobromination of aniline? We know that when aniline is treated with bromine water, there occurs tribromination. Bromine comes at ortho para position, and there occurs trisubstitution. So, that's why question arises how to carry out monobromination. So, this is the way to carry out monobromination that I am showing. In order to do monobromination, first we have to do acylation. We have to do acylation. So, suppose for acylation we take acetic anhydride, and we use organic base pyridine. So, acylation will take place and it will become so this one will result. Now here this is acetanilide that you know. Now here there will be a resonance. Here there is a resonance. Previously we were taking the lone pair into the ring. Now it will go to some extent. It will go into the ring, fine. But electron lone pair will also go towards carbonyl group because it is an electron withdrawing group. And now this nitrogen will be plus, this oxygen will be minus. So, so what we are seeing through this resonance, that the acylated product, the lone pair is not going to the ring. So now the ring is not so much activated. This ring is not so much activated, and now if we carry out bromination, in presence of acetic acid, now bromine will come only at one position. Bromine will come only at one position, that is it will come now only at one position because the ring is not so activated now. And between two positions of ortho and para, it will prefer to come at para position because at ortho position there is steric influence. So it will come at para position. And now to remove this group, it's very easy to remove this group. That if we treat it with acid or a base, we can do it either with acid or with base, then this group becomes amine group once again. So you see we had done monobromination. So monobromination is possible after we have done acylation. If we do not do acylation and if we carry out bromination, then bromine will come at 3 position and tri-substitution will take place. In order to do bromination, in order to do monobromination, we have to do acylation first, because on doing acylation, the ring is not so much activated now. It's activated still at ortho and para, but not so much, and that's why they are offered bromination only at para position. So here question can come, as far as acylation is concerned, what is the purpose of acylation? So the answer will be, the purpose of doing acylation is to make the ring less activated. Okay, now coming to another property, that is we will do now nitration of aniline. Let us do nitration. Nitration of aniline. Now to carry out nitration, we have to use nitrogen mixture. We have to take nitrogen mixture. Nitrogen mixture is concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. This is a nitrogen mixture, and with this we do nitration. Now, since there is more electron density at ortho and para position, that we have already seen in resonance, that there is more electron density at ortho and para position. So we expect the NO2 group to come at ortho and para. So we will get ortho product. We'll get ortho product. We'll also get para product. We get para product. But surprisingly, we also get meta product. We also get meta product. So in fact, all ortho, para, meta, we get all the products. So we need to explain here why we get meta product. Why we get meta product, that we need to answer. We will get ortho product, we will get para product, that is quite certain, because there is more electron density at ortho and para position. That we understand by drawing resonance, that has already been done. And we know here in this reaction the electrophile is NO2 plus a nitronium ion. Okay. So the reason for meta product is that since this reaction is being carried out in acidic medium, some molecules of aniline gets protonated. Protonated, it is a base, this is acid. So some amount of aniline gets protonated, and on protonation we get this product. We get this product on being protonation, because there is a lone pair here, and this is called anilinium cation. Anilinium cation. And Now you see this aniline cation, since it is N plus, it is a electron withdrawing group now. This NH3 plus, it will be an electron withdrawing group for NH plus, and as you know, since it's electron withdrawing group, maximum withdrawal of electron will take place from ortho and para position. Maximum withdrawal will take place from ortho and para position, and electron density consequently will be reached at meta position. Withdrawal will take place from ortho and para position, and consequently it will be reached at meta position, and that is the reason why we will get meta product. So the reason for meta product is that some amount of aniline, not all aniline, some aniline will form ortho product, some aniline will form para product, but some amount of aniline gets protonated in acidic medium, and it being a electron withdrawing group, that's why we get also meta product. So this is a very important question that comes in exam, that what is the reason why we get meta product, and let me tell you is that this is obtained in very less amount of this ortho product is very less, and this is para and meta is we get in very large amount. So here there is one more question which comes here. I will not explain that thing. That since we are getting ortho product, para product, meta product, a question can come here is how to increase the yield of para product. How can we increase the yield of para product? So that you have to do. You will find the answer in NCERT book. Okay, so this is nitration. Now next is we will do sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation. So let me do sulfonation here only. You know, for sulfonation we need this mixture of not mixture. We need concentrated sulfuric acid for sulfonation, and we get. Initially we get this product, and then on heating there occurs a rearrangement, and we get ultimately this as the product. And of course, one side product will be water. So this is about sulfonation. So and one more question which comes here regarding these are all electrophilic substitution of aniline. One question that comes is that aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. So why aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction? You know that for Friedel-Crafts reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction of two types: Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation. And I'm just writing the reaction for Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So this is your aniline. Suppose CH3Cl, we want to carry out the alkylation. Here AlCl3 is used as catalyst. So here there does not occur any reaction. No reaction. So what is the reason here? The reason is that since aniline is a Lewis base, and since AlCl3 is a Lewis acid, AlCl3 is a Lewis acid, this is a Lewis base. So under this condition, this one reacts with this one to form a salt. This one reacts with this one to form a salt, because this is a Lewis base, this is a Lewis acid. So that salt formation, that I'm drawing the salt here. So with the help of this lone pair, Al, Cl, 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 and after the formation of bond, this N will become plus, this Al will become minus, and since salt is formed, it will be acting as electron withdrawing group, and this ring will become highly deactivated. Will become highly deactivated, and electrophilic substitution reaction, that's why it does not take place. So this is the reason why aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. This situation was also there in case of benzoic acid in the previous chapter. Like benzoic acid also does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. So, so once again I am telling the reason. It is because aniline, which is a Lewis base, and AlCl3, which is a Lewis acid, they under the condition of this reaction, they combine to form a salt, and since this N becomes plus, it is acting as electron withdrawing group, and it highly deactivates this ring. So these are some of the important chemical properties of aniline, or chemical properties of your amine. Now there used to be a portion in this chapter about diazonium salt. Now diazonium salt is not there in the syllabus now. Previously it was there, but because of this pandemic situation, CBSE has deleted some portion. So diazonium salt portion has been deleted. But nevertheless, I will be telling you about diazonium salts also, maybe in the next video.